Hi guys, just want to show you how a pneumatic flush system works on a toilet. There's basically a tube which comes from this thing, which is just the basic button. The button moves backwards and forwards. That then joins on to this part, which is basically a sealed rubber piece, which when it's compressed pushes air out that way. Okay, this particular one has cracked, hence the reason it's not working. It was semi-working. It would flush every 2 or 3 times. Okay, so basically that's how it fits together. It goes through the hole, it's attached to that tube, and there's a retaining nut on this side. When it's all connected back together again, it will flush properly the first time. So I managed to order myself online a replacement pump section. So that basically goes in there. Okay, so you can see the piece sticking out the back. I'm now going to connect it to the hose, which just pushes on. So I'll just put this down while I do that. Very simple. If you want to make it slightly tighter, you can take a little bit off the end. And there you can hear it actually flushes. So we now know that works. So there's that particular setup. We push it back through the wall and do the retaining nut up on this side. Okay, I'm not holding this very well. So it's in there. The retaining nut goes on the end and basically just tightens up. And that's all that's doing is holding the button in place. Okay, I need 2 hands because it's rotating. So I'll just hold that steady with 1 hand. He says. There we go. So that's now bitten and that's nice and tight. The hose is there. And rotate it. Rotate the whole thing around so we've got a nice even hose. There we go. So the hose is now just hanging down out of the way. I'll tighten it up. Not too tight, you don't want to crack the tiles. Then replace the button back on, along with that part, and it basically just slots in. Okay, so there we go. Now, as I press the button, you'll see what happens to the system. If you look down through there, when I press it, it causes a little bellows on the other side to open. That lifts the device and it lets water flush. So that's now working. First time, the cost of the part was about £6 on the internet. I could have bought a new button, that would have been £30 plus, but all that's gone wrong is this tiny little bit of plastic, and as I squeeze it you can see where it opened. That is where the problem is. Now this load's lasted about 8 years, so I'm hoping that it will last another 8. So at a cost of £6 I've been able to fix this. Why not have a go yourself? It's not that difficult.